Hello again, Math 109. This is an additional topic in 1.3 that I left out earlier. The discriminant. The discriminant. What does that word sound like? It sounds like discriminate, doesn't it? And that's exactly what it does. It discriminates between types of solutions. To discriminate is simply to make a distinction between different things. Of course, we could think of discrimination as something evil, and it can be evil if you're doing it for evil reasons, but it doesn't have to be evil. Like if you discriminate, if you're selecting a babysitter for your children and you discriminate against people with a history of child abuse, then you are not discriminating for an evil reason. So obviously the discriminant in math is not an evil kind of discrimination. It is simply distinguishing the difference between types of solutions. The discriminant is this. It is b squared minus 4ac, which you will recognize as being a part of the formula, of the quadratic formula. It's the part that's underneath the square root. The part that's underneath the square root will determine what kind of solutions we get. If this is greater than 0, or positive, i.e. positive, if you get a positive number, you have two real solutions. Two real solutions. If b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then you have one real solution. So, if you do negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. If what you have here is just a positive number, then you're going to get two solutions. Negative b plus something over 2 or over this thing, and negative b minus something over this thing. And so that's two solutions. But if this is 0, then this part just goes away, and you just get negative b over 2a as the only answer. So you just get one solution. The other possibility is if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, in other words, negative. If it's negative, then you have no real solutions. You do have what is called two imaginary, or you might say complex solutions. But we won't get into that part until 1.4. So in 1.3, I think they just want you to say no real solutions. But once we get to 1.4, then you'll start to say something else. You'll start to say imaginary or complex solutions.